Zambelli. I'm a project manager with Eagle Rigging and Transport.
I'm Mike Zambelli. I've been doing this since I was able to reach the pedals on a forklift, working with my father.
Been doing this line of work since I was 5 years old, going with my dad.
Every other job is a different challenge. You know, you can move the same machine 50 times you do it differently because there's something else in your way or the building's changed.
The project behind me is a brewery that we just installed. It's one of many breweries we've done, but the challenging part of a brewery is from start to finish is to make sure all the pieces of the puzzle fit together as far as the mechanical ends of it, not just the rigging end of it. These tanks behind us are pretty tall. On this one here, we had to come up with another plan, and we wound up cutting a hole in the roof, and we lowered the hook of the crane inside, stand up the tanks, and then once they were stood up, we placed them where they had to go.
The most challenging thing about the project was just fighting the weather with the snow and everything, with the tanks coming in, make sure nothing slipped off or no accidents happened, make sure everybody was safe. The most rewarding thing is working with the fellas every day. I mean, develop a friendship with them. Some of the guys I've been with for 18 years, some of the guys longer, or some of the guys are new to the group, but they've been in the industry for a while. Everybody just gets along and everybody just watch out for their safety, and it just becomes part of your brotherhood.
At the end of the day, when you finish a project, whether big or small, it's pretty rewarding to see that what you've accomplished.